Wind warning. Issued at Sunday 7:09 p.m. February 16, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Maximum wind gusts, southwesterly near 90 kilometers per hour. Time span, developing Monday morning and persisting Monday night. Hashtag. Damage to buildings, such as to roof shingles and windows, may occur. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to pestorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag PEStorm.